Alright, in this video, I'm going to try the Wendy's spicy chicken sandwich with, a fry with it. I'm going to pray over my food. Lord, please bless this meal that I'm about to eat. In the name of Jesus Christ of Mount Sinai, I pray in my heart. And God bless many others out there to have something to eat too, Lord. As I'm poor boy, eat. God bless the homeless out there to have something to eat and the shelter to stay at as I pray in my heart. M-E-N-E-T-H, M-E-N-E-T-H. Okay, let's try a fry. Let's try a piece of the sandwich. It's a chicken sandwich with tomatoes on it, no bacon, and some white cheese, I think. Right. It is a little spicy, but it's really good, and I like it. Try one more fry. Alright, bye-bye.